Happy Christmas Eve, everyone. Look at Sage watching the birds. I can hear them chirping. It is a beautiful day in St. Louis. I wish we had snow, but we don't. Look at him get all excited. Well, hopefully he's distracted so I can start on the advent calendar. All right, you guys, just take over the table before I have a chance. All right, Danny. Today is December 24th. Crazy, isn't it? Christmas is almost here. So, yes, let me move your towel. Nutmeg. Today, it's this day. Ho, ho, ho. Can you open that? No? Let's see. There's Sage. I knew the birds couldn't. Oh, couldn't just. This looks like crap. All right, not a good start to the 24th. Oh, let's see how it tastes. Tastes a bit gritty. All right. So, I'm a little slow on these whole advent calendar things. They're not all consistent. Today's the last day on that one. There is no 25. I don't know why I was thinking there would be a 25th for Christmas Day, but there is no 25 for this one. All right, that's a bummer. Now I'm sad. You guys, I think this is the last day for Advent. I don't know why I thought we would open some on Christmas morning, but this is it. It's the 24th. This is it. What a bummer. And it's Santa. It's a nice, huge Santa. Okay, now that's a nice one. But you guys, I guess we'll just open our regular presents tomorrow. What is up with that? Why was I thinking there would be a 25th? What do you guys think? Do you like Santa? He bought you guys a lot of gifts this year. All right, let's do the last. Are you playing with Santa? You can nudge him. Just don't eat him because that's chocolate and you don't eat chocolate. All right, the 24th. That's the last one on this one too. This one didn't do anything special. Don't they sometimes do something bigger for the 24th? Not this calendar. All right, let's see what your guys' pet calendar says. I swear there was a 25th on the pet calendar. Let's go look. Maybe this is why I was confused about the whole advent calendar, because guess what? The cats get a 25th. And I peeked. There's something underneath there. So you guys will get one last day tomorrow. But I need you to scooch over, because today's the 24th. Remember, we're working on our numbers. 2, 4, 24. Okay, we're going to open this up. It's the fishies. Oh, look, I forgot this from... How's there an extra treat in here? It's probably Stell. But, Sage, you're the most attentive. You can have that one. All right, let's get this open so everyone can get a fishy. Now, scoot back. Nope, you gotta let me get it out first. Oh, you're such a bad one, Jack. That's Jack. Nope, scoot. Here, eat that. I distracted. Excuse me, why I choke on air. Okay, your turn, honey, right there. No, Jack, you're not stealing honeys. Okay, she got it. Sage, there's yours. Look at you looking all cute and pretty in your onesie. Felix, go for it. You can do it this time. I know you can. You better hurry. Oh! Ah! The kittens beat you to it. Who's in here? Nutmeg, you want a treat or not? There you go, Nutmeg, right there. Right there. You better get it because Jack's a thief. Danny, I don't think you had one yet. You might have stolen. And then there you go, Sally. Nope, Jack, Danny. Right there. That's it. That's it. I'm going to go get Felix's treat. Don't worry, Felix. I got you covered. I'm going to go get your salami out of the fridge. That's it, honey. But you guys actually get a present tomorrow. I don't know. Cats deserve a 25th, apparently. Last one. And there's Jack. All right. Is there a 25th? Scoot back, Jack. I need it. There's a 24. Oh. There is no 25 on this one either. No. But what about this one? That I haven't opened. It doesn't say 25, but I think that's the final day. So some calendars have 25 and some don't. Okay, come on, you guys. Could I just open the book without you hovering? Is that too much to ask? You guys got your treats. Scooch over. Scooch over. Don't you? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's Jack. It's Jack as Santa. Santa Jack. You're named after him, Jack. Yes, I named him after Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas. Merry Christmas Eve.